Hello, we here at Ignite say it takes less than 10 minutes to start making money on your live stream, and so I'm going to prove that it's possible. In just a couple of quick steps, I'll be able to have advertisements running on my stream that are going to make me money whenever my users engage with them. So, first step is to go to ignite.gg, that is IGNTE.gg, and you're going to want to sign up for an account. Ignite is, that's the platform you're going to be running everything through. It handles all the hard work for you, and so you creating an account is basically just the way that we can manage everything. Put in your email, and then you're going to want to pick a password. You're not going to be able to figure this one out. Look at that. Look at that. Fort Knox passwords there. Agree to the terms of service, and then sign up. Then you're going to be greeted with 3 options here, and this is kind of how Ignite works. You do not need to worry about, on the right, you see advertiser. If you are watching this video, you're probably not an advertiser. You don't need to worry about it. We have 2 others that might be important for you. An individual is what we call a streamer. That is just them. It's just you streaming. And then an organization is what we consider a group of people that all stream and want to be managed under a single account. So even if you are in an esports organization, you're not going to choose organization. That would just be for, say, the manager of an esports organization to kind of bundle everything together. In this example, I'm going to be choosing individual and then click continue. Now, you'll be greeted here. This is your dashboard. To show you how quick and easy it is, I'm just going to go straight to the advertisements. We've got the toggle here where you'll be able to opt into our ad network. So what is the ad network? Well, we have a little blurb here. It is our advertisement network that automatically connects you to advertisers. Enabling this network, which is what this toggle shows here, will show advertisements via our overlay system. I'll talk in a little bit about our really incredible overlay system, and pay you to show them based on how they perform. And so how these ads perform will take impressions into considerations, the clicks, things like that. And so this here shows that it is toggled. So now I want to go on to the next step, which is basically connecting my Twitch account to my Ignite account. The way you're going to do that is by going up to the top right here and clicking account details. The reason you have to connect these accounts is, well, we have to see when you're live and we have to put these advertisements through your live stream. You're going to want to go to linked accounts and then just click in the bottom right here, link account. This will load up a Twitch page where you'll be able to go through and authorize us to just access some stuff in your account. You don't need to worry about your password or anything here. This is done through Twitch's portal, so we don't see any of your information. Click authorize and you will be taken back to Ignite. And basically now, congrats, you have successfully connected the 2 accounts. Go to linked accounts. After a little while, it will load. And basically that's the next step done. Super easy. So now we need to actually add the overlay link to our stream, because that's how it will show up. The way we do this is by clicking copy overlay link. And then I'm going to bring down, OBS is what I use, but you can use any broadcasting software. Apologize for the infinity here. But you're going to want to add a source. Make sure it is a browser source. You can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it add money $3. For the URL, you're going to want to paste that URL that you just copied. This is basically how we're going to show the advertisements. And the way we do it is automatically. So once you've done this, you don't have to worry about it. Once you add this link, the advertisements will show. You don't have to update it. Nothing fancy. Set the width to 400 and the height to 150. The reason for this is because the advertisements will at max show in a rectangle that is width 400 and height 150. So you don't have to worry about massive ads that are going to take up your screen or anything that is intrusive. You'll be able to see basically the max real estate that an advertisement can take. After that, you can hit refresh cache, hit OK. And then now I'm going to have here this little box that I can move around to set basically where the advertisement's going to show. Now I'm going to go to my camera just so it's a little clearer. Exactly what this looks like. And I'm going to add a browser source. So basically once you've got it, depending on the software that you're using, you can just add that existing source again. You don't need to add a new one, and boom. I've got an advertisement that is already running, and you'll notice I have a little link that will appear in chat. I'm going to go to this screen so you can see. Over here, that's the link. So there are 2 parts to what Ignite does. It will show a image that appears on the stream, and then a link will appear in chat. So this is what it looks like in my broadcasting software. Let's see what it looks like on Twitch. So this would be live on Twitch. Perfect. And there, I'm kind of showing everything. But we've got our link here in the bottom right, which there you go, you can kind of see now that it's capturing it. And then, an infinite number of advertisements that are now popping up. Let's say but basically, boom, you're done. That's it. You're making money. Now the advertisements are going to start showing up. Let's just do one more thing. If you go to show menu, you can click account details again. Under linked accounts, hit show menu, go to settings, and then you can change how often this advertisement shows. So let's say you don't want to show a bunch of advertisements because maybe you've got other things on your stream. You can raise this all the way up to 15 minutes, and that means that an ad will be shown only once every 15 minutes. Or let's say, since it's such a small area, you really don't have any problem, you can set it to 0, which means the ads are going to constantly be showing. Once an advertisement finishes, the next one will show immediately. For the sake of this example, I'm just going to set it to a minute. Now, the last thing, and it's already running, you don't have to do any of this, you could leave, you'll be making money, is this reports page, where you'll be able to see how the advertisements are running. So after a little while, you can kind of refresh and you'll be able to see how everything's going. And now that you've done that, you'll have the reports. After you make an amount of money, you'll be able to connect IGNTE to a bank account where you'll be able to withdraw, and it's that easy. So boom, already I've got one ad that is shown. It got 1 impression because nobody's watching me right now. 0 clicks, but I earned 1 penny. And so if you look down here, it's got the same thing. Twitch nameplate is the name of the ad. That is being ran by a company. The company wants to basically advertise on your stream. And so boom, I made a penny. Nobody's watching. I got a penny. All that's going to keep running. If you've got more viewers, you'll make more money. If you're showing ads more often, you make more. And that is essentially how it works. Now you just connect everything, let it run, and that's it. You don't need to mess with it. If you ever wanted to move it around, you could put it in the top right over here. If you were playing a game where you thought that might be necessary, or you can move it. Just really, it really is that easy. So probably less than 10 minutes. I didn't have a time. I'll put the time here. I'll do the time from start till now just to see. And that's it. It is that easy, and you're making money.